So, this time we have Vogel'S approximation cost method. So, then again, we have the source 1, 2, and 3, and destination A to D. Supplies are here, and the demands are here. So, in Vogel'S approximation cost, we have to first calculate an opportunity penalty cost by subtracting the smallest entry from the second smallest entry for the minimization. So, anion na siya, pangitaon na to asay mas gamay. So, ang mas gamay din kay 1, and the second nga mas gamay kay ang 3. So, 3 minus 1 equals 2. So, sa row difference na to siya ibutang. So, 2. And then, the second, there is a second source. We have the 5 and 2. So, 5 minus 2 equals 3. And then, sa third source, we have 2 and 3. So, 3 minus 2 equals 1. And then, sa column difference, ato gihapon siya nga pangitaon ang smallest, the first smallest, and the second smallest. And we have to subtract it. So, sa column A, we have 3 and 2. So, 3 minus 2 equals 1. And we have 3 and 1. So, 3 minus 1 equals 2. And 5 minus 3 equals 2. And 4 minus 2 equals 2. So, the second step we should do is to identify the row or column with largest opportunity or penalty cost. So, pangitaon na to diri kung asa ang mas dako na penalty cost. So, to identify the largest opportunity, so ato pangitaon din So, we have here 3. Since ang 3 belong to source or the second row, which is here, so diri na to pangitaon kung asa ang mas gamay nila para ma-allocate na nato and ma-exhaust na to. So, we have here 2. So, we will put here, since mas gamay ang sa demands kaysa supply, so we have to put 250. Same sa atong gibuhat kanina sa least cost method, ingato ra gihapon atong buhaton sa Vogel'S. So, 250. To satisfy this one. Minus 250, so may mo siya 150. And then, since this is already satisfied, we have to cancel this out. We have to mark out this. And so, then again, allocate the maximum amount possible, the available row, and the lowest cost. So, by these steps, ato rin na siyang balik-balikon hangtod na ma-exhaust nato ni silang tanan. So, just watch and follow. So, diri, balik na po ta diri since nabilin man ni siya. First, we have to minus, so 4 minus 1 equals 3. 6 minus 5, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. And then 3 minus... Since this is no longer, naman, di na siya ma-exist, kaya na-cancel out na tanan. So, i-leave na to diri as the dash, and then mo pursue ta sa ikaduha, sa destination B. So, 3 minus 1, then again 2, then 5 minus 3 is 2, and 4 minus is 2. So, pangitaon na pud nato asa ang dako og amount sa cost, I mean sa penalty cost. So, since we have here 3, belong man siya sa source 1, so diri na pud ta mangita og lowest cost. So, again, moras ra gihapon ato ang buhaton. So, since 300 is the smallest, 0, 2. So, since this is 0, so mark this out, and then 3 minus 1 equals 0. 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 3 minus 1 Dili na pud ta. So, balik na pud ta. Since nabilin pa man ni sila. Since nawala naman ni siya, so we would leave here. Then, back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then again, 7 is the larger, so we have to allocate right here. So we have here 200 and 500. We have 200. 2, 3, and that. Then the next step, nawala na siya. So, patayin. Cancel out siya kay zero naman dahil so this would be naman dito. So dahil na ito naman dito sa the largest is the remaining is here. Since this is both are zero, so we have to, and that's it.